Hello my friends! The product which is my favorite and I use to maintain my dishwasher is this Affresh. It's a dishwasher cleaner tablet. In this pack there are 6 tablets, as you all can see. This is recommended by Whirlpool, KitchenAid and Maytag brands for their dishwasher. I have a Frigidaire dishwasher and I like to use it as a cleaner and for the maintenance of my dishwasher. So the idea is it powers away the line scale and mineral buildup for maximum machine performance. It has all the month that you use. You can just tick mark it, or for your memory it's there. The directions are there how to use a fresh dishwasher cleaner. If without the dishes, you have to place 1 tablet in the detergent tray. And if you think there is a significant buildup, you can use a second one and place it in the bottom of the dishwasher. I usually like it with dishes, so place 1 tablet in the bottom of the dishwasher and the detergent should be placed in the main detergent tray, and then you just have to press start and run a normal wash cycle. These are septic safe tablets. So let's get started. So my dishwasher is full and I have a Frigidaire professional dishwasher. It's completely packed with the dishes, so I'm going to place it just down here. Cascade Platinum. I usually get it from Costco. If you want to use the Affresh tablet without the dishes, which I've placed underneath over there, you can place that tablet in here, but I'm using it with the dishes, so I'm placing the detergent tablet here. Close it. I'm just gonna run a normal cycle, which is this one. It's cleaning. See you guys in 99 minutes. So dear friends, let's see. I have emptied out dishwasher and have a look. I like this product because it just gives a very clean look and maintains my dishwasher. So this is it. Another great product for my dishwasher is this Rinse Aid Jet Dry by Finish, which gives us spot and film protection while drying the dishes. In my dishwasher, that's the space where I usually put it, and then it just indicates that it's full. So friends, these are the 3 products which I usually love for my dishwasher and the dishes. All of these, they maintain my dishwasher's life and cleans my dishes perfectly. Affresh, Cascade and Finish. So I hope you all have enjoyed this video. Till next time, please take care of yourself, keep watching my videos, like and share, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.